Welcome back to Auto World. Today we're diving into the ultimate SUV for 2025, the all-new Ford Explorer. With bold updates, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced performance, this SUV promises to redefine adventure for families and thrill-seekers alike. Let's take a closer look. Ford has taken the Explorer's design to the next level in 2025. Up front, you'll notice a striking new grille and slimmer LED headlights that give the SUV a modern, aggressive stance. The aerodynamic enhancements not only improve fuel efficiency but also make it look sleek and sporty. And check out those 21-inch alloy wheels, perfect for on-road elegance and off-road toughness. Step inside and you're greeted with luxury and innovation. The 2025 Explorer boasts a refreshed cabin with premium materials, ambient lighting, and best-in-class space for up to 7 passengers. At the center is a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for audiophiles, the B&O sound system ensures every road trip has a perfect soundtrack. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple powertrain options. The base model comes with the reliable 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering 300 horsepower, while the hybrid variant offers both power and efficiency. And for thrill seekers, the Explorer ST takes it up a notch, with a 3.1-liter twin-turbocharged V6, pumping out an impressive 400 horsepower. Plus, with intelligent all-wheel drive and terrain management system, this SUV is ready for any adventure. Safety remains a top priority for Ford. The 2025 Explorer is equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or cruising on the highway, you'll feel confident behind the wheel. Ford offers the Explorer in various trims, from the budget-friendly XLT, starting at around $37,000, to the luxurious Platinum trim, which goes up to $60,000. Each trim is packed with features tailored to your lifestyle and budget. So what do you think of the 2025 Ford Explorer? With its bold design, advanced features, and versatile performance, it's clear that Ford has raised the bar once again. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. See you in the next video.